Namaste. In this time of pandemic and lockdown, we, the teachers, are facing so many difficulties to organize online classes. So, I am here with the solution of Say Namaste. This is the tool of web or video conferencing which is now available in Android app form. Here in the screen you can read that this is Android app is available and you can download it. Earlier, this Say Namaste was having the capacity of 25 participants, but now it has increased its capacity to up to the 50 participants. Then matter comes that how we will organize the classes. We have to just go in the browser, any browser. We have Chrome here in this system. We can use Google. We have to just write Say Namaste. So let's start. If we want to go to the Say Namaste, just we have to write Say Namaste, and you can see the option comes. We will write, and we are here in the Say Namaste platform. Now question comes, we have to create new meeting or join. If you are having existing meeting ID and code, then you can go with the join option. Otherwise, if as a teacher, as a member of a society, you want to organize any kind of meeting or class, then go to create new meeting. Click on this, and we are now in the Say Namaste class or a room. Here you can see there is an option for copy. We can simply click on it and copy, and this will be copied. Here the information is mentioned that the URL is there, meeting ID is there, code is there, and a note is also written that this meeting link will expire after 24 hours. It means if I organize this meeting right now, it will work for 24 hours. So copy the link and we have to paste it in our communication platforms like WhatsApp or Telegram. We have to just paste it and mention the time. We have to mention the time because here in this Say Namaste, this is the limitation that we are not attached with any kind of calendar. So we have to mention the time when you are going to organize your meeting or your class. Now we will come to the feature that here is the option in the left corner. We can copy in between the class. If we are taking the meeting or taking the class, we can copy the URL, a link of this meeting from here. So I'll close it. Now in the screen you can see that the feature of this Say Namaste is similar to the other web conferencing or video conferencing tools. So by clicking on this phone button, we can close the meeting. We can use the video, audio, and the screen sharing option. Here is this the screen option, share screen option. We can click and you can see we can share entire screen. We can share application window. We can share the any Chrome tab which is open right now. So at the time of sharing, you can see that we can share the audio of the system also. So we can use the sharing option at the time of meeting or classes. Okay, as I am alone here in this platform, so members are only me. Now the beautiful feature of this Say Namaste is the chat. Click on the chat here in corner, left corner, downside, and you will see the chat box is open. I will move my video from here. You can see we can write hello and we can chat. Also there is a beautiful option, rather than writing, we can also utilize different type of facilities like image, file, audio, video, etc. If we want to share any kind of image with our students, we can share with them. For example, if I'll take from, okay, I will take one picture. For example, if I am teaching yoga classes and I want to instruct them, then we can share the available pictures. This is the picture of my university. Now, if we want to share some kind of files, we can share those files. Now, this file is here and the student can download. Audio option, if we want to share some kind of audio at the time of teaching, we can share. If we want to share some kind of video, I have some video on this system and want to share with the students, yes, definitely we can share at the time of teaching. We don't have to wait for the class over and we will share. So just clicking on the video, I have shared my own video. This sharing video is also having very beautiful option that we can click on here 3 dots and we can see that students can see full screen at the time of classes. You can, if your screen sharing is not working, you can say that see the video and we will discuss. They can see the full screen video, they can download, they can mute the audio if class is disturbing, and we can play picture in picture. So now I will play just for trial, and you can see this video came. This is the educational video made by me and I want to share this video with my students at the time of live online class. So this is the very wonderful feature of Say Namaste. We should all utilize this Say Namaste. This is the Indian version, and if we want to slow down the voice, we can slow down it, and we can utilize this facility very efficiently in our classes to interact with the students. Student will feel happy and we will improve our teaching learning process. So keep learning, keep teaching, keep sharing the information, and stay safe, stay healthy, stay at home. We will meet in next video with our different information regarding different type of facilities which are available these days. So thank you, thanks a lot, and say Namaste, because we should use Made in India, Make in India. I am the Indian and I promote Indian things, so use it, enjoy it in your classes. Thank you. We'll meet next time. Bye.